Welcome to Jagma Talks. I request all my viewers to please share and subscribe. I dedicate all my classes to my late mother who has expired last month after prolonged illness due to COVID and side effects of COVID. Today I am going to explain in detail different terminologies in GST which are very relevant to every individual, whether you are doing business or not. If you are a taxpayer or an SSC or a normal man should have the concepts of all these terminologies. I will explain you in clearly which are highly essential in our daily day-to-day life. So now I am starting these very important terminologies or concepts which are very important to every student or a citizen of this country. So now coming to GSTIN. GSTIN stands Goods and Service Taxpayer Identification Number. This GSTIN is 15 characters. 15 characters constitutes first 2 characters are state code. Next 10 characters are PAN number, your income tax file number. Now 13th item is number of registrations within the state. 14th digit is default digit and 15th digit is check code to detect errors. So GSTIN number constitutes of 15 characters. Now I have clearly explained what are these 15 characters. Now come to PAN. PAN is your income tax file number, permanent account number. This PAN constitutes of 10 digits. First 5 characters are letters. Next 4 numerals. Last character letter. Now when you see a PAN number, you must know how to identify, basing upon a PAN number, whether this PAN relates to a company or one individual or one HUF. I am making it very clear to you. When you see a PAN number, just find out the 4th character of the PAN number. If the 4th character is C, it is company PAN. If it is 4th character is P, it is for person, that is for individual. If 4th character is H, HUF. If it is F, it is firm. If it is A, it is AOP. If it is T, it is trust. If it is B, it is BOI. If it is L, it is local authority. If it is J, it is artificial judicial person. If the 4th character is G, that is government. So one can identify easily, basing upon the 4th character of the PAN, what is the status of that PAN number. Now comes GSTN. GSTN means Goods and Service Tax Network. Next, that is HSN. HSN means Harmonized System of Nominee Culture. Then comes B2B. B2B means registered business to registered business. B2C. B2C means registered business to unregistered consumer. POS. POS means place of supply of goods or services. In this case, you have to mention the state code of state code. Next comes that is UIN. UIN stands Unique Identity Number. It is a special class of GST registration for foreign diplomatic missions and embassies which are not liable to taxes in the Indian territory. Next, that is GSTR1. GSTR1 means GST return 1. Then comes GST. GST means goods and service tax. Next comes UQC. UQC means unit quantity code. So unit quantity code, it will be in meters or kilograms or other units. For example, if it is meter, in shortcut, if it is written MTR. If it is kilograms, it will be mentioned as KGS. Then ITC. ITC means input tax credit. IGST. IGST stands for integrated goods and service tax. CGST. CGST stands for central goods and service tax. Then SGST. SGST stands for state goods and service tax. B2B. B2B, small B2B means B2B supplies. B2CL. B2CL means B2C large. Large means greater than 2,50,000. Then B2CS, that is B2C small. B2C small means less than 2,50,000. CDNR stands for credit and debit note. CDNUR, that stands for credit and debit note for unregistered person. Then comes EXP. EXP means export. Export with payment of GST, without payment of GST. Then comes AT. AT means tax liability on advances. Next, AT-ADJ. AT-ADJ stands for advance adjustment. Next comes exempt. Exempt, EXEMT. Exempt means nil rated, exempted and non-GST supplies. Next comes HSN, that is HSN summary. Next, DOCS. This stands for list of documents to be issued. Next, LUT. LUT means letter of undertaking, that is bond for export. Next comes FOB, freight on board. Then comes FOR, freight on receipt. So these are the main concepts which one should have knowledge while dealing with GST or mostly GST or some are in income tax. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.